Boker's, the iconic US manufacturer of precision metal stampings, washers, spacers and shims, celebrates its 100th anniversary in 2019. The year will also see the opening of a new manufacturing facility and a fresh commitment to serve international markets, including Australia. The company was founded in 1919 by Boker and his son John. The first products to be manufactured were an envelope folding machine and a small hand check protector. However, Boker's soon began generating more revenue from manufacturing prototypes and custom parts for automated machinery. As the word spread of the company's ability to produce high-quality, short-run stamped metal parts, demand grew. Boker became one of the pioneers of short-run stampings. The business boomed and has continued to flourish throughout the years, growing in space and customer base. Today, Boker's is still a privately held family-owned business, guided by Boker's principles of hard work and attention to detail, with Bill Tedland as chairman of the board. From starting to help out the family business as children, the legacy continues with Bill's children Wendy, Amy and Barry as shareholders. Amy Kersey, Bill's daughter, is the current CEO and president, and her sons Chuck and Tony Kersey as the fifth generation at the helm of sales and marketing. Boker's family manufactured parts for almost every industry and product imaginable, from payphones, coffee makers, medical devices, missiles, mail sorting machines, to dental instruments, snowshoes, and even aircrafts. Boker's is currently expanding its manufacturing facility to streamline processes and add capacity as product diversification continues to grow. The new space adds 6,650 square metres, almost doubling the existing manufacturing space. I'm Courtney Love, and thanks for watching Industry Update News. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates and visit the Industry Update website for the full story.